Sumulat na po ako sa ating SND so that my letter could be also transmitted to the Department of Foreign Affairs for them to reach out to their counterparts in China. Pero dun sa aking sulat, I demanded the return of 7 firearms. Yung pong mga baril na yon ay kinuha ng mga Chinese Coast Guard na nakabox kasi yung mga armas na yon. Kaya binampot na lang nila yung mga 7 rifle. At sinira nila yung ating mga kagamitan. And when we estimated the cost of the damage, it's 60 million pesos. 60 million pesos. So we are demanding that China pay 60 million pesos for the damage that they caused during that hindi pa kasama doon, no, hindi pa kasama doon. But we are also looking into the possibility of charging them with the cost of restructuring the hand of si SN1 Facundo kasi mag-ooperahan po siya operahan para bumalik yung function ng kanyang kamay. Meron po kasing mga technology ngayon, medical technology na bago nang sa gayon ay magamit niya ulit yung kanyang kanang kamay, no? Okay, thank you.
Dalawa yung nasirang motorboat.
Yes, dalawa po. Yeah.